Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we've got a dehumidifier that I just bought that I want to go and show you a tutorial on, and then I'm going to show you also something very important on what not to do when you're doing the unboxing. So I'll put a link in the description on where you can pick up this GE dehumidifier. This is the 50 pint and it's model APHL50LBW1. Okay, so we'll show you the settings really quick on this. So you can see here we have our power button, and then we have our speed. We could go from high to medium, low, and then this is the smart dry feature. And then here we have our humidity percent, so you can see we could increase or decrease that. I don't think it's going to let me do that because the bucket's full. I wanted to fill it up so I could show you what not to do when you're unboxing it. And then when the filter needs to be cleaned, you clean the filter and then you hold this button in for 3 seconds and the filter light will go off. You could put it on a delay, and then you could also turn your pump on by holding this for 3 seconds if you're going to be using a hose that leads to a drain in your basement or wherever you're going to be using it. And then if we come around the side, we could see here this little door right here. That's to drain it with a garden hose. There's a garden hose attachment right there, so you would just take a garden hose, plug it into there, and then that's how you would drain your bucket. You can see here, here's our filter. And it just kicked back on for some reason. And then if we come around, you could see this right here is where you would attach an external hose. It actually, when you buy this, it comes with a hose. So that's where you would put the hose in to run the pump. So you would take the hose and put it into here and then run it to whatever drain you have in your basement. And then that's when you would pretty much use this pump feature. And what happens is the bucket fills up with water, it activates the pump, and then it drains the bucket, and then it just keeps doing that in cycles. So now I'll show you one of the most important things not to do when you're first unboxing this when you buy it. And that's, we'll take the bucket out. And you can see here, this bucket, this little lever right here, there's a piece of styrofoam in here. And if you're taking this all, if you're unboxing it and taking all the pieces off and all the styrofoam off, you're going to be tempted to take this out thinking that it's just part of the packaging, but it's actually not. So this is used for the float. And when this bucket fills up with water, you can see this float. The styrofoam allows this thing it allows the dehumidifier to shut off. So if you take that styrofoam out, what's going to happen is it's not going to think that the bucket's full, and it's just going to keep filling the bucket up and causing it to spill over. So I bought a dehumidifier just like this one a few years ago, and I took this out and it pretty much, I caught it pretty quick, but there was water coming out of the dehumidifier because the bucket was just filling up and out. So leave that part in. That actually is not part of the packaging. It's part of the, whole setup that you need. So, and then also when this dehumidifier is on and you take the bucket out, it automatically shuts the dehumidifier off. So you can see I just turned it off, but it probably won't turn back on because it's going to recognize the bucket's not in there. So yeah guys, that pretty much sums up this dehumidifier. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments. Otherwise, be sure to like this video if it helped you out. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, check out all my other tool and DIY videos, and then check the link in the description on where you can pick up this dehumidifier. So yeah guys, that pretty much does it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.